girl, hurry up with your order, man. You know how long me there and want
What I have today? Lady, a blind, you blind. See the menu chart right there, so. 5 things we have on the menu today. We have burger and chips. We have chips and burger. We have fries and cheese. Cheese and fries. Coke and chips.
So hurry up with it.
Yo, my you, just chill, yeah? Because I'm
girl?
checking the menu to see what's on it. Okay.
On to that girl.
Yes, lady, me ready for order now.
Hey girl, hurry up with your order, man.
Me want one
Hurry up and
burger,
serve it, girl, man.
one cheeseburger,
You know how long me there and want
one
some food.
portion of chips,
That's all. Hold up.
and one
no cook
small Coke. Monica,
Yeah?
we got any more burger and chips?
No, we not have none.
That done.
Oh,
Every day I come to McDonald's.
you know something else I should have said that.
Listen, I can't order that. Hurry up,
Alright
man.
then,
Big man
me
got
just want
work to
some
go.
chips.
Yo,
Or fries, that's what I call
I'm
it,
gonna
fries.
lit today.
Fries, me want some fries. We got any more fries?
What you say?
We got any more fries?
Oh, we not got no more.
Sorry, that done as well.
I want them people here, man. Every time I come to McDonald's, them always out of food. When them not have no chicken burger, then I have no vegetarian style sausage, then I have no fish cake. Yo, what kind of little sin thing this man? Yo. You get me, party? Eh? You understand what me I say? Like, all day me I wait for eat my food, yeah, and come to McDonald's now, and she will tell me say everything done.
Yeah, people
What she
them
mean
say,
by
man.
say everything
Them
done?
not have none.
Hey, all woman, me not hold up no line in here, you know. Me I spend my money
People them say
just
them
like
not
how
have
you a
none.
spend your money.
That
So
them
just
say.
take your time, yeah,
Yeah.
and stop talk foolishness right now. Cause me no know want to you. But you know something? We just all come out of the shop and leave all of you. McDonald's, no Mackie D's for me today, I guess. No Mackie D's. McDonald's can't wait.